It's not just the public and parents that have had strong reactions to that delayed response. Of course, police agencies as well have been struck by those details.
That's right. CBS 2 senior reporter Ross Palumbo talked with LAPD's Chief Michel Moore and has his reactions and insight in an interview you'll only see here on CBS 2.
Well, I was actually with the chief this morning when the confirmation of that delayed response was first coming in. And the chief this morning speaking about LAPD's policy and about going into schools immediately. And tonight he wants to warn everyone about rushing to judgment here, saying LAPD has been judged too soon in the past as well.
Is a delay deadly in situations like that?
It can be, and again, I will wait for the facts. We have weapons, weapons of war that they have easy availability and access to, ample supplies of ammunition, and then if you don't act quickly, and you don't move quickly towards the threat, that these soft targets can become killing fields.
Is there ever a reason to delay going into a school when a situation like this is happening?
The key here is if you have an active shooter, you have evidence that the person or persons inside are engaging in violence, they're shooting individuals, then you have to move on them. You have to get a small, contingent. We've seen instances where lone officers have ran headlong into that. This is a profession that runs towards danger, doesn't run away from it. At the same time, in our own department, we're currently having a scenario of an active shooter that occurred just 6 months ago, in which officers did exactly that and were criticized, and it's still a matter under serious investigation. I won't judge those people there yet because it would be unfair.
We don't have all the facts yet.
We don't know the facts yet.
Will you study this case to help train LAPD officers?
Absolutely. But we'll study it on facts. Rather than offer criticism at this point to Texas, what I would offer Texas is my prayers and our discontent with the state of American society and its willingness to kill each other.
Well, as you just heard the chief pointing out that there will be plenty of time to go over exactly what was done right and what may have gone wrong later in the coming months. And he adds that whatever the case may be, our city, like the rest of the country, will certainly learn something from this horrible incident.
Yeah, incredible what the chief had to say.
Probably some training involved with that afterwards.
Yeah, that they might study this later. Wow, incredible. Ross, thank you very much.